Do you or someone you know need a do-over for the ways you've perhaps handled money in the past? Well, you can boost that sagging credit score on your own. Bo Thomas is with Certified Credit Experts, and welcome to the show. And Bo, what is the very first thing that someone should do when they're looking over their credit score?
Yeah, the main thing, get a copy of it, get a copy of your report and review it. What you can do is challenge any of the negative items and make sure you know what's on there.
Now, what exactly are you looking for? Discrepancies or?
Everything. You want to make sure that the accounts are reported correctly and accurately, they're coded correctly, and make sure that the amounts, balances, and dates are really key.
Everything's copacetic. Okay, now, what steps can people take to improve their own credit score on their own?
Yeah, one of the first things, besides reviewing the report and challenging any of the negative items, credit card balances are one of the key things that are a big indicator of your debt. Pay it down and get it as close to zero as you can. Going to have a really positive effect on your score.
Now, what is this I hear about? There was some legislation that just came out yesterday about credit scores.
Yeah, Monday the FTC released a year-long study that they put together, and over 3,000 credit files they audited, and they ironically found that 1 in 5, or 20%, have errors that are big enough to affect their score in a negative manner. Which
1 in 5?
Yeah, 1 in 5. 1 in 5 chance you've got inaccuracies and mistakes in your report that are going to affect your score enough to where you're going to pay more interest for a mortgage, insurance, cars, possibly affect jobs. So.
Now, let's say you try to repair your credit score. How quickly does it go up? Does it take months, years?
No, the good thing is your credit score has no memory. So any corrections that you make, it's immediate. Your score is going to go up immediately.
What's a good score that you would want to try and achieve? What's a decent one?
740. 740 is the best. Meaning if you've got the 740, getting any higher than that, you're really not. It's not going to open any other doors. That's the keys to the kingdom there. So.
Okay, I'm putting you on the spot. Fess up. What is the worst credit score you've ever seen? Like 2?
Yeah, they go all the way down to 350, but no score is the worst. You know, that's
no
the tough
score.
part. Yeah, just where you've got no active trade lines to where it's going to affect your score the most.
So what laws are in place to protect consumers against, well, collectors?
Mm-hmm. The great one there is, too, is you've got a federal statute. That's the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act that protects you against the creditors. It regulates how they communicate to you. And the good thing consumers have going for you, that collectors abuse this law every day. You can use that law as leverage to get it removed from your credit report and honestly even get some money from your creditors. Rather than you pay them, they pay you.
Exactly. Now, where can people, where can they turn to if they're having trouble turning things around, turning their credit score around?
Yeah, come to our company. We're one of the only companies out there that doesn't charge an upfront fee. Any credit repair company that charges an upfront fee, run the other direction. They're probably a scam and going to take your money. But come to us, Certified Credit Experts. If you're having issues, we can help you. We'll look at it, consult for free. If you want to move forward, we'll get after these guys and get your credit turned around for you.
How often do you check your credit score? Once a month?
Yeah, once a month.
Just to make sure it's all good.
Absolutely, absolutely. You need to. There's a 1 in 5 chance. I don't want
really?
someone else getting on there.
Those aren't
besides
great
me.
odds. Bo, thanks so much. That's
Appreciate
awesome.
it.